It's not magic, it's a science experiment. When a candle is extinguished, white smoke rises. It can be rekindled even from a distance. Mix printer toner in blue. Mix it well. Hold a magnet close to it. You've got moving magnetic fluid. Cross two forks. Put a toothpick in the center. Stick a toothpick in the middle. And you've got a magic balancing act. Paint 7 colors on a piece of paper. Put them in the water. You'll see a dynamic rainbow. Pour some alcohol on the sand. Mix sugar and baking soda. Pour it on the sand. Ignite it. A magical pharaoh serpent is summoned. Put a thread between 2 cups, and you can pour water into the other cup. That's capillarity. When you put a frozen strawberry in cold water, the water condenses instantly around the strawberry. Pour the paint into the milk. Add some expired peanut oil, and the kids got a nice happy planet. Turn the boiling water upside down. Put a piece of ice behind it, and the water in the bottle boils again. Turn the glass upside down. The water will spill out. Just put a piece of paper over it. The water will be sealed in the glass. Put the negative terminal of the battery on the magnet. Put a copper coil on the positive terminal. That's what spins the wheels of the electric car. Put a burning match in a bottle. Put a hard-boiled egg in the mouth of the bottle. The egg is swallowed into the bottle. Mix expired milk with Coke. Coke becomes transparent. Put 3 bottle caps on a round magnet. Put a piece of glass. Put a spinning gyroscope. Remove the glass, and the gyroscope spins in the air. Put tape on a balloon filled with water. Tape a balloon full of water. The water flows like it's standing still. Sprinkle some salt on the table. You'll be able to stand an egg. Pour white vinegar into a glass. Put in a raw egg. Fish it out after a while. You'll have a bouncy egg. Put a paper towel on the glass. Pour some water on it. Put a burning candlestick on it. Put the glass over it. You'll feel the force of atmospheric pressure. A match head that's not magnetic, but when it burns, it's picked up by a magnet. Do you know why? Melt the ink of a highlighter in water and insert a white flower. After a while, you get a flower that glows at night. Put a piece of paper between 2 magnets. Put a screw on it and a battery. This is how an electric fan works. White vinegar is mixed with baking soda, produces carbon dioxide. Pour the resulting gas into an empty cup near a burning candlestick. The candlestick goes out. This is how a fire extinguisher works. Take a pencil and roll a piece of paper into a cylinder and hang it at 45 degrees. Ignite the top end. You'll see the white smoke coming down, a spectacular waterfall of smoke. Take unwanted plastic and cut them into trapezoids. Glue them into cubes. Put it on yourself.